It is difficult, but yes, it is possible, because when we say, people are, Facebook is pushing their program in Africa and other countries. People there, they don't know what is internet, they don't know what is, they think Facebook is internet.
Yeah.
So yeah, so Facebook they think is internet, just like we call it, Xerox. We don't call it as a photocopying machine. For them, Facebook is the internet. So for those kind of countries, it is very difficult for you, unless until you have good kind of an awareness. But it should be kept neutral, and it will not be possible for controlling all the internet.
My basic question is whether government of India is in a position to control any of these companies or
Yeah.
showing any of the
Right,
content.
right. They can come up with a good regulation. Automatically, everything will be in.
There is any regulations right now. We are using internet since last 20 years.
Right.
There are no absolute regulations for what should be shown,
Right,
like
right.
what you have shown. But Facebook is showing some misleading links.
Right,
If
right.
you click DI's opinion, and directly that is sent to TRAI. Even if TRAI knowing that Facebook is playing this sort of game, TRAI is not in the position to take action against Facebook. Is it not unfair trade practice?
Yeah, but again, that's what I began with. It's an evolving thing. These are the evolving which are coming up. Every country has faced these issues. Even US, till 2014, they have faced these net neutrality issues. Right now, also there are something which comes up and they have to address it. And always, this TRA and all, they will come up with some kind of opinion on that.
Overall, they block Facebook on Indian country.
China, yeah. So that is again their way of addressing. But again, they cannot control the full internet, because outside China, people can access it, right? But not the full internet, right?
So if China can ban Facebook, why doesn't India ban Facebook?
No, but there is, see,
China has banned Facebook. The other internet is available over there.
yeah. So Facebook, yeah, not everything is free. See, China is there's a see, China has blocked Facebook because of it's against democracy and all those concepts, right? So the reason behind that is to block people from putting their opinion on the internet, and creating a kind of some opinion against the
other services are available now.
Yeah, but again, they filter some content which talks about democracy and other things, whichever side.
Where business is doing very well, sir.
Yeah, but see, we don't know, like how people are, happy or not happy with this kind of regulations in their country.
Free basics will not be there, no?
See, the problem comes is free basics just an example. That's what I'm saying. China may not be having free basics, but if there is a telecom operator who throttles this kind of bandwidth and all, that is not there in China right now. Yes, we, like in India also, we ban sites like terrorist sites, ISIS sites. We ban it. It's not that we are against the internet freedom, but for national security we have to do it. But like in China also, they are not throttling the bandwidth or changing the bandwidth for different services. Okay, it's free. Anyone can access the website at the same speed. So that is the major issue here.
But they are not having any transparency in India, sir, because through this voting they are doing. Indirectly they are.
No, again, TRA will not just say that, okay, Facebook has got so many votes and others have got so many votes. They will not decide on that basis. They take the opinion. Template-based opinion doesn't make any sense to TRA. They already, came up with the, this kind of questions to Facebook itself. So they will not take it seriously. That is not the part of it. People who have given their opinion based on all the requirements, those opinions will be taken into consideration, not this kind of template-based opinions. So that's the thing. They think that these kind of social networks, they spread, something about, yeah, government against government, services and maybe their opinion.
There is a philanthropic part of Facebook that provides the free basic internet and the sites which are available in free basic. Will those actually absent from the free internet? Because,
No, those will be available on free internet also. Yeah, but again, as I was saying, it will be like we're having a separate area to access this site, and maybe provider can do is they can give better access to those sites against their competitors. There are always chances of doing that.
Basically, government should interfere. Looking after welfare of the people is government job.
Right.
Not job of Facebook.
See, and again, one more point is.
Basic issue is that if a US company is concerned about welfare of Indian people, there has to be some unwanted intention behind this particular. Our politicians will ensure it. Because they are marketing.
See, again, it's like the the data. I mean, prices or whatever fees what you are paying for data, it's going down. Okay, and maybe ultimately after few years it will be free also, with the existing whatever the rate at which it is going down. So maybe you don't need these kind of services, but that's where they want to target it. They once you have this kind of services, then they can have some different you can say levels of different plans. So for free, this is thing you have to pay more for getting that. So you can add up more to that. Okay. Thanks. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your wisdom on this latest topic. I now request, please take it. In case you have any questions, we have time for one or two questions.
Correct. See, what happens, once TRA will come up with their, the panel will discuss it. They'll come up with some kind of opinion that will be shared with Department of Telecommunication, and then they will come up with some kind of regulation. That is the process.
Thank you for your questions. I now request Vice President of VI, Mr. Asit Sinha, to kindly sum up the entire proceedings and propose a vote of thanks. In the meanwhile, I request Dr. Amishi Arora to hand over a token of love and appreciation to the speakers.
Friends, I am a victim of propaganda of Facebook. And in fact, if you recollect, I raised the hand that yes, I voted. But the question is like, if I voted for Modi, I can't withdraw it back now. So similarly, what you are saying is, it is gone forever. I mean, I can't. But it is an eye-opener for me that how the so-called, Ati Shana Techa Bail Rikama jisko kehte hain. I thought that I am a very smart person. And the word free is so attractive. In our college days, we used to say ki free mein mila to phenyl bhi piyoge kya? So it is more or less, that is what has happened. I am a victim of that. I'm sure, because the net neutrality is something we always thought that at least कहीं समाजवाद हो चाहे नहीं हो, net में समाजवाद है. शुरुआत के दिनों में जब when the net came in, we were under the impression कि at least socialism has come in net. But then now sort of a colonization of the sky is also taking place. I mean, colonization of the sky is taking place, and we are becoming we are becoming a victim of so-called as they say, there is nothing free lunch in this world. So whosoever is offering you free lunch, be suspicious about the objective of that. The life is very complicated, and this was Greek and Latin for me also. I always thought that I am a computer retarded person, but I feel now I am become little computer literate. At least I will be in a position to, I used to wonder, like the free basics, there was a concept of free software. Like if I buy a pen from any company, I can sell it or I can gift it to anybody. But Microsoft will not allow me to use their software. I cannot give it to either Suhas or to Girish. Ki free mein le lo karke. So there was a movement called free software movement, which also didn't catch up because of the what should I say, the marketing ability of Microsoft and others. And therefore, even now it is not, the free software is considered as if it is like a free beer or something like that. But nonetheless, Amlesh ji, thank you so much for enlightening all of us on this concept. And I think, at least this house has become a little wiser, and perhaps most of us now are will be supporting net neutrality rather than the free basics. Friends, I am also thankful and grateful to all of you for coming and supporting this movement, because this movement is again a colonization anti-movement. So to that extent, I am grateful and thankful to you, and I request you to join us for a cup of tea and keep on joining us whenever we organize a program like this. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Me and Abhishek have been discussing net neutrality by lecture on net. Not today.
एडवर्टाइज में था।
कंटेंट को मैं
हाँ वही
जितेश भाई को अमेरिका में कोई काम नहीं, इधर में आके बैठा रहता है, रोज उसकी फोटो पेपर में रहती है, खूब पैसा काट रहा है।
वो पीएम को वगैरह बुलाएंगे, यहाँ करेंगे, वो सब पीआर एक्टिविटी।
वो जितेश भाई जो इसका फेसबुक का सीईओ, तो इंडिया में ही पड़ा है, रोज ही उसकी फोटो आ जाती है टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया में कि ही वाज एड्रेसिंग टीवी पे दिखा रहा है।
उसका पॉपुलैरिटी कॉन्सेप्ट ये होता है ना,
वो तो मार्केटिंग में एक्सपर्ट है बिल्कुल।
लाइकिंग दैट एंड व्हाट इज थिंग इज सारा मार्केटिंग। एक चीज ऐसी बनाई, वड़ा पाव हर कोई खाने का।
हाँ,
गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया इन्वॉल्व है।
अभी नहीं है, आगे होगा। अभी तो नहीं है फिलहाल। आई मीन नहीं है जैसे, इसलिए उन्होंने अभी इन्वॉल्व हुआ है। कंसल्टेशन पेपर उसी के लिए है कि
ये वोट करेगा।
नहीं होता नहीं है, वो टीआरआई वाले भी इतने बेवकूफ नहीं है। जब पहले बार आया था ये, बेसिकली जब मोबाइल टेलीफोनी शुरू हुआ तभी तो टीआरआई का उन्होंने ये किया, शुरू किया।
नॉट सॉफ्टवेयर,
It's basically telephone regulatory authority,
cyber security and
with the internet. Now
enterprise project। हाँ, नागपुर से भी अभी पुणे से कर रहा था, अभी नागपुर में भी जस्ट
इसके रेगुलेशन तो देखने के बाद 50 कंट्री में उसी बात घूमने के लिए जाते हैं।
बेसिकली आई एम फ्रॉम नागपुर।